a quick weave before. We're gonna add clips to make it a U-part wig. We'll add clips to the center and on each end of the unit and sew those down. So add 1 to 2 clips to the bottom of the unit. Be sure all your clips face the inside of the unit. Bottom clips up, top clips down. Place the unit on your head to be sure to pull out the correct amount of leave out in your part and on the sides. Rubber band them together. I wasn't trying to braid my hair down because I had a blowout and I'm going back to it, so I just put my hair in a ponytail. So I added 2 braids on each side of the leave out and rubber band those together. Put the unit back on so we can go ahead and blend the leave out to the unit, and I want this to be much shorter, so I'll go ahead and slide cut all the way through to remove weight and to make it a little bit shorter. Also, we want a better blend between the unit and my hair. I've got a pretty good cut. Blend it all in on my mannequin stand so we have a nice bouncy full cut, and then curl and pin curls. Getting ready for a photo shoot, so I want those curls to last all day long. And curl the hair around the edges or at the top, because I want to integrate my hair and pin curl all that together. Unit back on and curl my pieces that are left out. Pin curl everything together. Lay those edges. Then I put my hairnet on because I have a few hours before my photo shoot starts. It's nice and secure so I can go. I had so much fun with these curls and I went right back to my blowout after. Here's the final look. What do you think? Do you think this is something you'll try? Don't forget to subscribe for more natural hair and healthy hair content.